The carbonization furnace is a thermal decomposition method used for depainting aluminum cans. The depainting process occurs in an oxygen-free, high-temperature environment, eliminating paint residues. The carbonization furnace, also known as a continuous carbonization furnace, it operates continuously, with aluminum cans entering and exiting throughout the equipment's operation. The process begins by preheating the furnace to the required carbonization temperature. Upon startup, the cans are fed into the furnace after being pre-shredded into small pieces, typically around 2 centimeters. As the main furnace rotates, aluminum can fragments move from the feed inlet to the carbon outlet, gradually completing the depainting carbonization process. The dwell time in the main furnace is generally around 30 minutes. The carbon outlet is equipped with a cooling device to lower the temperature of the aluminum fragments as they exit the furnace, resulting in aluminum pieces free from paint residues. After depainting, the aluminum fragments can be further melted and processed into aluminum ingots. This additional step improves the removal of impurities from the surface of the cans, leading to aluminum ingots with higher purity.